Welcome student. This is Rahul Singh Maur, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department in MLV Textile and Engineering College. Today in this video, we will see the numerical problems of micrometer. In previous video, we have seen the theory part of micrometer. In this topic, we will see numerical part. Also, we will discuss how to take reading with the help of micrometer. Actually, there are two scale in micrometer. One is main scale. Here it is the main scale, and this is the circular scale, or sometimes we call it thumble scale. So the basic formula for taking the reading or for calculating the measurement with the help of micrometer is length recorded by micrometer will be main scale reading, means the reading shown on this scale, plus thimble scale reading, means the reading shown on the circular scale, into my least count of the micrometer. Here we can see how to read main scale reading is the reading which can you see clearly. Here we can see that the distance between these two graduation is 1 mm, while the distance between these two graduation is 0.5 mm, means lower part is the division of upper part is the 1 mm division and lower part is 0.5 mm. So here if we want to calculate, so how we can calculate is 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm and 5 mm. Similarly, if we go through the downside, then it will be 0.5 mm, 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 2 mm, 2.5 mm, 3 mm, 3.5 mm, 4 mm, 4.5 mm and 5 mm. So here we can see that that division is clearly seen. So the main scale reading will be 5 mm, 6 mm, 7 mm and 7.5 mm. So here we can see the main scale reading is 7.5 mm. Now see which division of circular scale is coinciding with the reference line, with this horizontal reference line. So here we can see 24th division of circular scale is coinciding with the reference line. So the thimble scale reading will be 24 into least count. Least count of vernier caliper is 0.01 mm. So here we can calculate 7.74 mm will be the reading. Similarly, in this image we can see how to take reading. So the formula is length recorded by micrometer equals to main scale reading, that is the reading shown on this scale, plus thimble scale reading, means reading shown on the circular scale, into least count. And we know that the least count of the micrometer is 0.01 mm. So one reading we know, one value, and other two we have to calculate. So here we can see what division you can clearly see is 1 mm, 2 mm and 2.5 mm. So main scale reading will be 2.5 mm. Here we can see 2.5 mm into thumble scale reading. So which division of circular scale is coinciding with the reference line? Here we clearly see 46th division. 45 is this and 46th is this. 46 into my least count. So reading will be 2.96. So in this way we can take reading with the help of micrometer. Now one question arises in the mind of the student, that what is least count? How to calculate the least count for micrometer? In vernier caliper we have seen how to calculate the least count of vernier caliper. In similar way we will calculate the least count of micrometer. So the least count is defined as the minimum value that can be measured on the scale and is the distance between two small graduation. So formula for least count of screw gauge is pitch of the screw gauge divided by total number of division on circular scale. We know that total number of division on circular scale is 100 and pitch of screw gauge is 1 mm. So the least count of screw gauge will be 0.01 mm. So in this way we can calculate the least count of the micrometer. Here is the one numerical problem. What problem says that while measuring the diameter of a solid cylinder, the main scale reading is 10 mm and thumb scale division coinciding with the reference is 34 and the least count of the micrometer is 0.01 mm. Find the diameter of cylinder. So we know the formula. What is the formula? Formula is length recorded by micrometer equals to main scale reading plus thimble scale reading into least count. So main scale reading is 10 mm, thimble scale reading is 34th division is coinciding with the reference line into my least count is given 0.01 mm. So here will be the measurement of the diameter of the solid cylinder is 10.34 mm. So in this way we can use micrometer and vernier caliper. We also seen one thing we can clear that the least count for vernier caliper is 0.1 mm, means it can measure minimum 0.1 mm, and while least count for micrometer is 0.01 mm, means it can measure up to 0.01 mm. So the accuracy of micrometer is far better than vernier scale. Thank you.